Hey guys, Tom here. Welcome back to the Grantham Pub Underground. Today we are going to do some tasting with Tom. As you can see from this cool thing right here, which we all know by now is the Just sign. And it's going to be a little bit different. It's not going to be a brand of anything or a comparison of anything. It's going to be some homemade stuff. Specifically, infused vodka. Now, infused spirits. See, spirits? Ooh, Halloween. I have done it with several different things. And I'm going to go through them real quick. This is infused vodka with pineapple. This is actually how it started. This is vodka with honeydew melon. And I'll that in a minute. This one is blueberries in rum. And this one, which still has the plastic on it, let me take the plastic off, is watermelon in tequila. So why infuse vodka? Well, a couple reasons. One, it's fun. Two, it gives you different flavors of things that you ordinarily would not have had. Now, let me tell you how it started. It started with this one right here. In the summer, this is how long ago this was, probably July or August maybe. We had bought a honeydew at the farmer's market. We ate it, and I saw it in the fridge one day, and I thought it was like this close to going bye-bye. So I tasted it, it was still good. So what I did, I chopped it up, I put it in a jar, covered it with vodka, and I stuck it in the fridge. So then I thought, well, what else can you do? I was having pineapple one day, and I had some trimmings. So I chopped up the trimmings, put it in a jar with some vodka. And then I was just making stuff at this point. Had some watermelon that's leaking. That's not good. So I cut some up, and I actually, for a fair comparison, I probably should have done them all with vodka, but I didn't. I did this one with tequila and this one with rum. Now, what can you use? You can use, I'm going to say you can use anything. This is actually frozen blueberries. But I would say any fresh or frozen fruit. I don't think I would use canned fruit now because a lot of canned fruit has other things in it. You could try it. And if you do try it, comment below, let me know. Get back to me. But I would think you want more. Like if I was going to use berries, I don't necessarily know I would use fresh berries because I think frozen, when you freeze berries, it kind of breaks them down a little bit. These are frozen, so that's why this is blue. So let's see how they did, and these have all been sitting probably a minimum of 2 months, if not longer. So we'll see how it goes. So let's try some of these. Okay, ready? Drink. Well, I guess to minimize the mess, let me. I just think I'm just going to pour some of each and then taste them. And then I'll show you what you can do with them. So that's this one. Don't want to confuse. So while I'm doing this, if this is your first time here, welcome. If you did some crazy YouTube search of how I can save my fruit with booze, cool. Would like to remind you, if this is not your first time here, there's a lot of this craziness going on, a lot. So be sure to subscribe to the Grantham Pub Underground for tasting with Tom, cocktail recipes, fun with family and friends. There's a lot of good things here that you want to be sure and subscribe so you don't miss out on it. And when you do subscribe, you want to know when something comes along, if there's something new to watch. So be sure to hit that bell so when there is a new video, comment, fun thing to you to see, YouTube will let you know and you can watch it. And if you would like, I always tell you, tipping is not necessary here at the Grantham Pub Underground. But if you like what you see and you want to help us out, I'll even leave you a link for that as well. So let's try these things. This was the honeydew and vodka, which was sitting for, like I said, a couple months. It changed color a little bit. It actually just kind of got cloudy. I mean, it's kind of smells wicked like melon. Wow, that really works. That's cool as crap, y'all. That tastes like melon. And the cool thing is, the sweetness, I'm trying to think I don't even remember what kind of booze I used. It probably wasn't really good. But the sweetness of the melon, I would never drink vodka by itself, but the sweetness of the melon kind of deharshes vodka. Because, I mean, it's probably middle grade vodka that I used. So how about this pineapple? Again, really smells like pineapple. That tastes like pineapple, but not as sweet. I don't know if that was less of a sweet of a pineapple, maybe? Who knows? How about this blueberry? Now, as you would expect, the blueberry now this is rum. We're going down a different path now, because this is rum. See, I'm kicking myself because I actually should have used vodka in all of them. It tastes like rum, but it's like fruitier rum. It's good. And this is the tequila. Now, I'm not a tequila guy, so I'm just tasting. What is on the glass? I'm just tasting this to see if the watermelon is in there. Like, this didn't change the color at all. It just kind of made it cloudy. Does not taste like watermelon at all. It just tastes like tequila. So I don't know that I would use tequila, and if I did, I don't know that I would use watermelon. I'm going to say this maybe is not a success. These two definitely are. This we'll have to see. So what can you do with these things? Let's move this out of the way. You can do a lot with these things. One, you can take a classic cocktail and kind of give it a makeover. Like, for instance, you can make the classic Daquiri cocktail, which we all know is just rum. I'm not talking like frozen, like banana daiquiri, strawberry daiquiri, that kind of thing. I'm talking about the classic daiquiri, old-fashioned daiquiri cocktail that's just rum, lime juice, little sugar, and that's it. So this is simply going to be, I guess you could even put the fruit in there if you wanted. This is going to be, let's say, 4 parts booze, and that's, it sounds like a lot, but it's not. I'm just saying that because I want to do whole numbers. 4 parts booze, 2 parts lime juice, and 1 part simple syrup. And then you shake. I would prefer to shake this one. So let's see. do some housekeeping here real quick. Get yourself a glass. You want this glass, nice chilled cocktail glass, a little garnishment, it's an amazing color. I mean, anything you dye with blueberries is going to be really good. And that is a blueberry daiquiri, but not the way you'd think. Okay, I'm going to make one with this, but I'm not really expecting it to taste much different than it normally would anyway. And that is a margarita. So I'm going to do, and I could probably do this without messing up the 2 parts tequila, well, actually, let me go backtrack. 3 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce of triple sec, and I like my daiquiris limey, or margaritas limey, so I'm going to do 1.5 ounces of lime. Again, a shakeroonie. Now, serving it is a matter of preference. If you like salt, if you like straight up. I happen to like my margaritas on the rocks without salt. And with a straw. And because we have it, another lime garnish. And then finally, I am going to do, I think, this pineapple one. And this is just straight up something refreshing. You can do, we can go vodka, or we can go tonic, we can go club. I'm going to go club. It's just a refreshing drink to use your infused vodka, because a lot of people drink, a lot of people now, they drink vodka and club because they think it's like free. They're not getting no calories or whatever. So why not bump it up with an infused vodka, right? Why not? Sure. So there you have it, guys. 3 cocktails made with your own homemade infused vodka. Come on, you just let your imagination run wild. I would stick with, we're going to taste these, as you know. But I just did clear. I don't know that I would use a dark spirit, like a whiskey or something like that. A, because, hey, look at the color. And B, I think there's too many other flavor notes in darker spirits that would not lend itself to the infusion. But what do I know? You do you. Try it. It's all experimental, so try it. So I'm going to try this one first because this is the simplest. So cheers to you guys. Drink up, but if you're drinking up, drink at home. Don't drink and drive. Designated driver. Do it responsibly. Because I want you coming back time and time again here at the Underground. You know what that tastes like? It kind of tastes like a pineapple Truly, but better, because this natural pineapple didn't ferment out. I think when they make Trulies, they ferment the sweetness out of the fruit, This is really good. I would drink this. I wasn't as crazy about the pineapple by itself, just the vodka, because who drinks plain vodka? Well, I'm sure a lot of people do, but that's really nice. It's light, refreshing. Okay, watermelon margarita. Infused watermelon margarita. Not to be confused. I think we made a regular watermelon margarita somewhere. I'll look it up, and if I did, I'll put the card up here so you can check that out as well. Please do. It just tastes like a margarita. Like I said, I don't think the watermelon, I don't know if it's a combination of the watermelon with the tequila, or the watermelon just doesn't add anything, or the tequila kind of bleaches everything out and just kills it. But would I try it with something else? Probably not, because like I said, I'm not a big tequila guy, so I'm not going to waste fruit on tequila that I ordinarily wouldn't drink anyway. But I do like rum. I don't like plain rum, so this helps. So let's see how we did. That's good. It is limey because it's a daiquiri, but you do get, it's not killing you blueberry, but it's good. It's just kind of like an undertone of fruitiness. Do you ever see like those judges on the food shows? They're like, well, it's like, could use a little acid. I'd like a little more salt. Now, this is, why do they all want acid? This has acid because there's a crap ton of lime juice in it. So they wouldn't be able to complain about that. Yeah, that's a winner. These two, good. This one, I mean, just tastes like a margarita. Pardon me, I had some. Now see, that time, no, that's just tequila. What was I going to say? Do you remember? No? Okay. Well, anyway, so there you have it. Infuse some spirits. Get your favorite fruit. I would say the juicier the better. Like melon is good. I would think of fresh peaches or fresh stone fruit in the summer. And that's a great way to extend the summer. Get your farm fresh summer fruits. Eat what you want, because when peaches are in season, I'm killing them. Well, although we did eat a lot of nectarines this year. Eat them and then save a couple. I mean, you don't need a lot. I mean, I think this was maybe probably a cup of fruit. It's about a cup of fruit. That's all you need. Chop it up. You don't really want to process it. You just want small pieces. And then cover it with booze. And just leave it go. And then come, like this time of year, it's like, wow, the cold days are getting here. I could really go for some summer. You whip out your summery, fruity infusions and go to town. Make some stuff and just have a good time. So there you have it, guys. Infused spirits. So think about it. And it's spirits. You know, you tell people Halloween, you have a Halloween party. So, ooh, we got some infused spirits. Well, whatever. You just have fun with it. Enjoy yourself with your family and friends. Come back again and again. And until then, I'll save a seat at this bar right for you at the Grantham Pub Underground. Cheers, guys.